Hey guys, it's me Sylvia. I am here today with another tutorial of how to make these super cute earrings. I made those and I also made these ones over here. I love them. They're so easy. You can make your own earrings, you can sell them, whatever you want to do. So yeah, if you want to learn how I made them, let's go ahead and watch this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for all your support. I love you. Thank you. Bye. All right. So the things that we're gonna need is polymer clay. I don't know what colors I'm gonna be using yet, but I have a lot of colors. So I'm gonna be using this. We also need the backing for the back of the earring. I have these and I have these too. I bought these at Joann's. They sell them at Michael's. Even you can order from Amazon, or I sell them at Walmart too. So we're gonna be using that. And then I have these molds right here to do the cutting of the earring. To be honest with you, I mainly use the round one because that's how I like my earrings to be. I also use the square one. You don't need to have these. It's not like required. You can even cut them with the cap of a marker or something like that. Do something round or whatever shape you want. But okay, let's get started. And yes, I'm sorry, my hands are very dirty always because I'm always painting and I do bite my nails, but that's okay. We're not here to judge, right? I'm working on that. Okay, let's get started. Okay, right, now, so we gotta make sure that our hands are very clean, always clean hands. Right now with the coronavirus and everything, gotta make sure they're clean. And then on top of that, this is a Clorox wipe. And then on top of that, we don't want to make our clay dirty, okay? So let's do this. All right, so I think I'm gonna make some black ones for myself. I'm gonna cut a little piece of the black clay and I'm gonna start rolling it into little stripe things, as like you're gonna see. I'm gonna do this until I have as many as I want, so I can start making the little rope thingies for our earrings. Okay, so I'm just rolling here. For some reason the video got deleted of me making those little ropes up there, but I'm just gonna do this, and once I have the stripes that I need, I will put them together from the corners and I'm gonna start rolling this way. I'm not pushing against the table. I'm being very gentle because I don't want to miss this beautiful pattern we have going on here that kind of looks like a rope. So just from the corners I roll, and this is the shape that the clay starts to take. Okay, so I will put these little ropes together so I have enough space to do the cuttings for my earrings. Once I do that, I will clean the ends with a box cutter. After I clean the ends, I'm also going to cut this stripe rope thingies into half and put them again together to be able to have a little more space, like you're gonna see right now. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. Now that I do this, I kind of push them against each other so they don't separate, as you can see. Just very gentle though. Even though I'm pressing my fingers on top of the clay, I'm being super gentle. I don't want my fingerprints all over it, and I don't want to mess up with this beautiful pattern that we have going on. So I'm gonna cut now the two little circles for my earrings. I tried making more than one pair. It didn't work out, but anyway. So I moved the other ones out of the way very carefully to not mess up with the shape. This is a really fun one to do because you just pretty much this second design, because you pretty much just start putting together all the colors that you want. My favorite colors are like purples and blues and like the universe colors. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. You pretty much put all the colors together without fear at all. So I'm gonna do that. I don't like the pink one too much, so I will keep adding the colors and then I will be back to tell you what we're gonna do. Okay, so here I already have all the colors that I want. This looks like beautiful to me. So you can use any colors. It doesn't have to be purples. You can use reds, any colors that you want. And really, don't be scared here. I put them all together and then I start rolling them with this fancy little roller that you do not need. You can use like a cup or something, you know, we gotta be creative, like a can of spray, I don't know. You gotta be creative. Don't be fearful here because all the colors are gonna mix into this beautiful marble type effect. So yeah, let's do that. Okie dokie, so my clay is ready. That thickness is perfect for my earrings. And I'm gonna use this cutter of little stars because I want to go with that like universe vibe, and I really like these. And my little round one, of course. I wanted to make little moons, you know, but I did make them, but the little moons were too small for the backings of the earrings that I have, so I'm gonna be saving those. From there though, I got the idea of making the big moon earrings, which I absolutely love. If you mess up your shape because you pick it up and the clay is too soft, don't be scared. Just reshape it with your fingers very carefully, and yeah. Now I will make the big moons. I cut with this huge round cutter, and then I cut the part of the moon like that. Very easy. Again, if you mess up the shape, it's okay, you can fix it. And then here you will say you don't have enough clay though for the other moon. It's okay, you can just put the clay together again, reshape it, and make your other moon. You see, there's not really that much of a difference. It works fine. Okay, so now before baking, I'm gonna grab this little nail looking thingies that I found at Michael's or Joann's, I don't remember, and I'm gonna pass them through my moon to be able to hook the little hooky thingy for the earring, because these are gonna be the long ones. So I put that in there very carefully, and again, the shape got kind of messed up, so I'm gonna fix it. As you can see, I tried to make other earrings, those little nude ones over there. I did not like them too much, like the color and stuff, so I decided not to do those. I took them apart. Now it's time to bake all of your little earrings. You have to follow the directions that comes in the packet of your clay because every clay is different. You don't want to overbake or underbake. Just follow the instructions. Once my little pieces came out, I'm gonna start gluing the little earring backings in there very carefully. We don't want to stuck our fingers like me in there. Just be careful because this glue is very strong. I'm going to do that with all of my little shapes that are designated to have this little pokey thing. Okay, now for the little moon. Once I have this tool here, I thought I could fold it right there, but I decided to cut it, as you can see. once I cut it, I'm gonna do a little loop-de-loop that it looks kind of like those little screws that are called the fisheye or something, or fisheye hooks, something like that. You know what I'm talking about. So you close them like that to be able to put the little hook for the earring. I am so sorry, I don't know the names. I am so happy you can understand though. Okay, so I want mine kind of long, so I added this little chain thingy I had there, and I close it really good to make sure that the earring just doesn't fall and then you end up without a moon. We don't want to lose a moon. I open this really carefully and I attach it to my little chain, and I'm going to do that with the other one too. Okay, so now for the black earrings, I have this paint. It's not supposed to be for this, but it was so shiny that I wanted to add it to it. It says that it's gold, but I see more like a copper color, which I don't mind. I really like it. So I will grab a dry painting brush. I'm gonna add a little bit of paint and brush it on top of my earrings this way. I feel it gives it like a rustic look. I really love it. It makes them feel a little more elegant, or it makes them look like they're made from metal. So yeah, if you want to do that, you can, or you can skip it too. And here we are done. So I have these little cardboard things because I make earrings to sell. These are for me though, but I still wanted to show you that they look kind of classy and like, yeah, like if you bought them, they're really, really pretty. It's not because I made them, you know, they're just really cute. Now I'm going to show you how they look. They're super easy, and I really hope that you make them.